Secret websites to earn $24 every minute. Make money online. Ready to make easy money online? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we're spilling the beans on 3 secret websites that let you earn real cash by watching YouTube videos. Don't miss out on this golden opportunity because you might miss out on the latest Rolex market news. Imagine making money from the comfort of your own home. It's as simple as watching a few YouTube videos, and we're here to show you the way. We'll walk you through 3 websites, from the lowest paying to the highest, and even share a bonus trick to maximize your earnings. Let's start with the first website. This little-known gem, which we'll reveal shortly, may offer lower pay, but we've got a special trick up our sleeves to boost your earnings. You could turn those 20 cents into a sweet $2 by watching the same video. There's a variety of tasks available on this website, but today we're focused on video tasks. Click the video or music sharing platforms option and you'll find yourself in the world of YouTube jobs. The key is to pick the highest paying ones, and you can easily sort the tasks by selecting most paying. Consider the TTF or time taken factor. You want to maximize your earnings by watching videos for the least amount of time. Most tasks here involve searching for specific keywords on YouTube and watching related videos. Simply follow the requirements, upload the necessary screenshots, and you'll be on your way to earning cash. The first website's name? Microworkers.com. Microworkers is a platform where you can complete various tasks, including video watching, to earn money. Once you've reached the minimum withdrawal limit of $5, you can easily cash out your earnings through different payment methods. Next up, we have the second website. Similar to Microworkers but with better pay for watching YouTube videos. Here, you can find an extensive list of videos to watch and earn. It's not just limited to tasks in your country, you can tackle international tasks too. Simply choose your country or explore international tasks. Sorting by most paying will reveal the top earning opportunities. You can earn anywhere from a few cents to a whopping $5 per video. Even $1 per video is a significant return for something you'd usually do for free on YouTube. For each task, you'll need to watch the video for a few minutes, usually 3 to 5. The requirements are straightforward, often involving keyword searches on YouTube and watching specific videos. Don't forget to upload screenshots as proof. The second website's name? Rapidworkers.com. Rapidworkers offers micro-tasks that span beyond video watching. With over 200,000 users, you can find various tasks to boost your income. And when your balance hits $8, you can request a PayPal withdrawal. Simplicity is the key here. Now, let's explore the crown jewel, the third and highest paying website. This is where things get exciting. You can make $2 by watching a mere 5 seconds of a video. But there's more. You can even earn $3 by subscribing to the channel. All international workers are welcome, whether you're from the United States, the United Kingdom, Canada, India, Nigeria, or the Philippines. You don't need any prior experience to succeed here. To begin, ensure the freelancer category is selected at the top and dive into the micro jobs section to find tasks. Apply the video marketing filter and you'll discover these video watching gems. Imagine earning $2 for just 5 seconds of your time. It's a game changer. The tasks are simple. Watch the video and complete the requirements as stated. You'll need to provide screenshots as proof and answer some questions. Once you've completed a video watching task, you can expect your earnings within 1 day. The name of this impressive platform? Sprout Gigs, formerly known as Pico Workers. The beauty of Sprout Gigs is its simplicity. While there might only be a couple video watching tasks available at any given moment, they update daily. This means you can consistently make money on this platform. So there you have it. 3 fantastic websites where you can earn money just by watching YouTube videos. Don't miss out on this opportunity to turn your spare time into cash. Remember, we're always on the hunt for more ways to help you make money online. So let us know your country, and we'll create content tailored to you. Earning money online has never been this straightforward. These websites offer you a chance to pad your wallet just by watching YouTube videos. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Stay tuned for more exciting ways to boost your income. Happy earning!